Hey you guys, it's Sierra Sharae, and today is just a video where I show you guys how to get my cute, sleek ponytail. This is my go-to style. Usually I'll do like a little drawstring if I really want to be quick and get the job done. But if I have a little more time and I want it to last a little longer, I like this method. You can do a little bun to the back, however you want to do it. But I just like the ponytail because it gives you a little chicness. And it just looks cute without looking like you tried too hard. So, ladies, you can't go to your beautician? I got you. Can't get your nails done? I got you. Keep on watching.
So this one is dedicated to my girls with the curls because I know the struggle is real. So I'm starting off by dry detangling my hair, and this prevents my hair from getting matted and tangled when I wash it in the shower. So next I'm going to use my Cantu natural hair shampoo and conditioner, as well as a denman style brush and a comb to detangle my hair even more while I'm in the shower. After my hair is all detangled, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel and I am going to slick my hair back. I love washing my hair first because it just makes it so much easier when you detangle your curls to slick your hair back in a ponytail. But when you first get it in a ponytail, it doesn't have to be perfect, just good enough to get it in a ponytail, because the next step is that we are going to braid this ponytail down so that way we can go back and fix it. And we don't discriminate over here, so my girls with the relaxed hair or the looser curl pattern can also do this hairstyle, but you can skip the step where you wash your hair if your hair is already clean. For my girls whose hair is on the other end of the curl pattern spectrum, it's important to wash your hair because not only does it help you detangle it, but it also makes your curls more manageable to braid down because they're damp. So as you can see, I'm just brushing through my curls, and this brush makes it so easy to brush through my curls. It's like butter going through my hair. And I sectioned it into 3 parts, and I am going to braid it down. So once you're finished braiding all the way down to the end, like I mentioned, you're gonna take that scrunchie off because we didn't make our hair perfect in the beginning, just good enough to braid it down. So now I'm gonna go back in and make things a little bit smoother, lay down my edges, and I'm taking this little baby hair brush, or edges brush that I got from the hair store, and I took that Eco Styler gel, laid it around my edges, and I'm just laying my baby hairs down. And I'm telling you guys, baby hairs make the world of a difference, because when I don't have my baby hairs laid, it just looks like the struggle is real. So when I lay my baby hairs, it just comes together. I have a very huge forehead, so that makes my forehead look a little bit smaller. So yeah, you definitely want to lay those baby hairs. And then go back in and smooth down the hair so that way it just lays down better and it just looks sleeker. And now I'm going to put my ponytail holder back on now that it is tight and right. And now it's time for the fun part. So we're going to add the hair on. And this is what's really about to transform this look. You can do this if you have any type of extensions hanging around. And I had these extensions from a sew-in that I had about a year ago. So the cool thing is I can use it, reuse it, and switch it up for a different look. So I folded the track in half so that way I don't have to wrap it around my braid as many times. I'm putting the bobbin pins that I have inside of the weft, and then I stuck the bobbin pin inside of the braid and then wrapped it around more, and then stuck another pin in, and then wrapped it around more. And once I got to the end of that extension, I wrapped the end piece around the top of the ponytail. So that way it'll have a better hold and the track won't slip out randomly. And so then I'm taking another track and I'm doing the same thing. I folded it in half and I stuck a pin in, sticking it into the braid, and then wrapping it around, going higher and higher each time. And once I get to that end, I'm going to wrap it around the top of the ponytail, so that way it almost looks like it's covering up the scrunchie and any wefts of the tracks that you have, and sticking a bobbin pin in there so that it's secure. Whew, now that that's all done, I'm just going back one more time, slicking everything down. Sometimes those baby hairs will curl up a little bit if you just put some Eco Styler gel on it. So I add on a little bit more of Eco Styler gel. And if you wanted to have a little extra hold, then you want to add on some edge control. But I'm just laying them down, making them even smoother, and just getting them super, super laid. And then after I do that, I am going to come in with the Got to Be Glue spray, and that's just to give it a little extra hold, so that way you don't have as many of those little pop-ups, little curls popping up. It's laid down, it's a little bit smoother. And then if you want it to be even more smooth, just get you a headscarf, wrap it around your head, and just let it dry like that for as long as you like. And now to get dressed. The magic words are butt, chicken, chicken, butt, chicken head. If only getting ready was that easy, I probably would have had way less arguments with my exes. But enough about me. That is how you get my pandemic proof pony.
Yeah. You want to switch it up? You twist it up? Bam, there we go, classy, you know? She doing things in the world. So, you guys, like I mentioned, you don't have to look like struggle all your life just because we're going through a pandemic. Who needs a nail shop? Who needs a nail shop when you got kids' nails? Not me. If you go to Walmart to get your groceries, just make sure you stop by the nail aisle and pick you up some kids' nails, because they never fail me. They are my go-to. And it looked like I went to the nail shop. My nails last 2 weeks plus, and I don't just have random pop-offs like that because it's a method. All you gotta do, make sure you put on nail polish remover first. That's to get all the oils off your nails. It dehydrates the nail, and then you buff your nails out. You buff your nails out, you put the glue on. You already have them sized. You have the nail size, so that way you can just pop them on with the glue. And you good to go, and it's gonna last. It's gonna last you for a little minute, unless you're doing some type of, you working on the cars. It's gonna last you because of the fact that when you file those nails down, it's a rough surface, so it adheres to the nail better. It sticks to the nail better. So if you're in Walmart, pick you up some kids nails so you won't be looking struggly. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first one to see my videos whenever I post one. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and until next time, deuces. Just because we're in quarantine right now does not mean that y'all gotta look like a bag of struggle. Cause I know. Now I ain't gonna lie, I had my days. We had some days. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay, it's alright. It's okay, it's alright. It's okay, it's alright. You got some tracks. I know you got some tracks, sis. I know you got some tracks laying in that Walmart bag somewhere. I got you. I'm about to show you.